Okay, this is months overdue, but I figured I'd make a quick tutorial on how to play Minesweeper because, funnily enough, people watch my Minesweeper video and then are like, "Lol, I don't know what I'm looking at XD," which is like really funny to me because it's like really simple. It's all just like a logic process. So I'm just gonna go through that right now. So you start on with your board. I'm gonna go to the easy one, so it's easier, digest. So anywhere you click on the first click is just going to clear out an area, right? Once the area is cleared out, every number that you see on the screen is the amount of mines that are in the surrounding 8 tiles. So since this one's at the corner and this is the only tile that is unrevealed, I'll be flagging this. Usually for the corners, I kind of usually tend to just flag all the corners first because, they tend to just be mines every time. So then it's just, a logical breakdown process. Like, these are the only 2 tiles unrevealed in the entire 8 available to this 2 right here. So this would literally have to be a mine. There's no other way around that. And since we already confirmed these 2 are mines, then that means everything else in these 8 tiles besides these 2 is safe. You dig? It's really that easy, and then you just rinse and repeat over the entire board. So uh, yeah, I just had to like crank that out because I'm tired of people telling me that they don't understand what the fuck they're looking at when they see me like just going around the map and just right clicking on stuff. Like, is it was it that really hard to digest? Like, this video wasn't even like more than 5 minutes long. Like, you gotta whatever, man. I just whatever. Just get out of here. Just leave. Just go. Just leave.